Teach University is a series of 7 workshops that gives a sampling of what the teaching world looks and feels like. In 7 short sessions, it prepares someone who has perhaps an outside career or perhaps maybe taking an alternate path to the classroom a chance to determine whether or not teaching is exactly right for them. They'll find out in Teach University if it's truly their calling.
Hi, my name is Sherry Thomas.
I'm Kelly Richardson.
My name is Carmen Barden, and I'm a first grade teacher at American Leadership Academy, Anthem South Campus. Being a part of Teach U gave me that group that I could lean on because I knew that they were going through the same thing. It was beneficial for us in the beginning because we were introduced to the curriculum, and then just working through it. We've had meetings, we've had the opportunity to go in and watch teachers who've been teaching the ALA curriculum for a long time, and that way it made it more comfortable for myself to teach it.
We were given the luxury of going into teachers' classrooms and seeing these expectations that were given to us in the workshop. We got to go see how they were actually being performed in the classroom. Everything you learn in those workshops is valuable.
Teach University has helped me with being able to know exactly what American Leadership Academy wants their teachers to be able to do to help our students strive to be leaders.
So the great thing about Teach University here on the Anthem South Campus is that there are so many layers of support. I'm one of those layers here. I'm the instructional coach, and I work very closely with those Teach University teachers.
Level of support for the Teach University program is amazing. I cannot express how much that it has helped me. Anytime I have a question or I'm unsure about something, there are so many resources, people that are just willing to help us out.
Favorite parts are the kids. The kids. They amaze me at every turn, and they do things for me that are unexpected, and a lot of times I'm learning from them, and that was something I didn't expect coming into the classroom.
I love being a teacher here at American Leadership Academy. I couldn't imagine working anywhere else. It's more than just a school. It's kind of a sense of family.
Hey, I'd like to invite you out on March 6th for an introductory night to learn more about Teach University, find out what we're all about, talk to some of our teachers in the program, and we'll be able to answer any questions.